So this is what the birdie looks like all installed, and even in comparison to some of my other feeders, I love this one so much. Just the details on the side of it. So most of my bird feeders are going to be plain on the side here, but it has these two cardinals feeding each other, and I just think that's so cute, especially since it's a camera bird feeder. We'll be able to see that. And then on this side, it's also got that same decoration. And then you can see here, this is a camera here. It records in 4K, or you can set it, if you want a little bit better battery life, you can set it to just high definition, but you can put seed in it. It also has, let me see if I can dig around here. You can see some of the seed falling. It has holes here, drainage holes, which is really good for it raining. It comes with a perch for you to install for your birds to land on. And then it also has a connection here in the back to attach a solar panel, which it does come with. I have mine attached. I tightened it a little bit tighter just because my pole's thin, because I have it attached near my pool. But it does come with a mounting bracket for you to put on a wall, or you can attach it to a tree or a pole, however you would like. And then to refill the seed, it's really simple. All you do is have to unscrew this right here, and you can fill in the seed there. I like that there is a little twist lock on the back, because my squirrels are really smart around here and they've learned how to open my feeders. But I will show you some videos of what it looks like. Some of the other features that's really neat about this bird feeder is that it has squirrel detection on it. So if a squirrel lands on your feeder, you can set it, you can turn it on or off if you want, but you can set it to alarm if there's a squirrel that it detects. And also it's got free AI monitoring, which is really nice. Instead of having to do a paid subscription like some of my other feeders, it comes with free AI detection. There's also a Facebook group and a community where you can go and share your photos and talk about birds with other people who also have the same feeder. So I really like that, as far as, you know, bird watching is a really big community. So I really enjoy that. But overall, I think this will be a fantastic gift for a mom, your dad, anybody who's really into bird watching, or just for yourself to add to your backyard bird watching. And it's really high quality metal as well. So no plastic here. It will be easy to clean. And overall, I absolutely love it.